Come on. Alright, come on. It's time to eat lunch. Wake up, sleepy dude.
Lunchtime! Yay, 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 yay!
Alright, now let's go. Follow me.
Okay.
I was walking down the street. So,
And then
here's
we
our...
went to a restaurant called Pizzeria.
Here's your pizza. It's a giant spaceship.
Hello, I'm the chef. I hope you enjoyed your pizza.
It's their pizza. Yeah, we're starving it.
Okay.
Yes, we're starving
Hope
to death.
Hope you enjoy your pizza, guys.
I hope you get out of here. Yummy, 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 yum.
2 hours later. Excuse me. Oh, I'm bored. I want to play with you, Icebird. Yeah. Yeah, I'm bored too.
Everyone's bored now. Everyone's bored now.
But can we play with you?
We have to play. Sorry, we have to go home and play. Sorry, now we have to. Sorry, now it's time for you to go to your baseball game.
But we don't. Later at the baseball game.
Wow.
Okay.